Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Sharefactory on PlayStation 5. Let's go. What is Sharefactory? This is a video editor. Open Sharefactory, bits. Here you will find templates for your videos. Choose bit. Choose your clip. Cut. Here you can add stickers, text, sound effects, music, voiceover, doodle and visual effects. After the video is ready, click Create Bit. The finished video can be viewed in the gallery. That's it. Now you know how to use Sharefactory on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.